So today's lessons is one of the most important thing if you guys are day trader, it's liquidity sweep. So what's the liquidity sweep? The liquidity sweep is a place where we swept our liquidity, where we might change our direction. It's a place that our chart can easily turn the downtrend to the uptrend. So it's very important. If you can predict market before the market, it's done. So and the best thing in the liquidity sweeps in everywhere. So what is the liquidity sweep? I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna draw then and I'll show you in the real chart. So this both is candlesticks, all right? Right, let's think. So we have a trend like this, and last two candles opened like that. So what do I understand in this position? If the sec if oh, wait, okay, I couldn't find the brush. So if we see this wick above that wick, so we swept our liquidity. Imagine that we are in uptrend and we now have to change our character, which we have a potential to make that move with just that one wick. We also have a different marks like the fair value gaps or another liquidity sweep or order blocks, but this is one of them, and for me personally this is the most important. So let's see. Yeah, I marked out one sweep right here. So for example, right here we have a liquidity sweep. You see, we have been coming up, retest up, and sweep liquidity, sweeper. So what are we gonna do? We might wait because it didn't give us a proper, if you look the chart, it didn't give us our proper entry. Like there is no order blocks, or I believe there is no fair value gap. Actually there is one, but is it work? No, it didn't respect. So but still our liquidity sweep has worked. We were in uptrend and our liquidity has swept in here, and then we started to go down until we swept our liquidity here bullish. So what is this? So this is a the great example for the bearish liquidity sweep. If we see a chart, a candlestick like this, so we might predict the chart will go down. But if we see, so let's say we are in downtrend, right? We are in downtrend, the price is coming like this, right? And if we swept our liquidity in downtrend with a candle like this, we also, like with the bearish one, we also have a great potential to change our character to the uptrend. So we have a potential that the chart will go like this, and this is the example. So if we look the chart, we're gonna see the liquidity sweep in everywhere. For example, liquidity sweep and worked, liquidity sweep again worked, liquidity sweep again worked. Like how you guys like don't trade with liquidity sweeps? It works every time. Look at this liquidity sweep, liquidity. We were going down. Yes, we were going down in here, and we swept our liquidity. We change of character here, swap liquidity, boom. And if you look to the bullish one, our liquidity has here, and we swept our liquidity, we got up. And there's a lot of, we mark this leg, we mark this wick, we swept liquidity, we started to go down. I don't even have to talk, I don't even need to talk. Just look the prices. And also you guys need to know this. We also have a liquidity run. Right? So let's think that, oh, I'm gonna show you in here. So wait, I'm gonna show you. So we also have a liquidity run. I believe you guys understand the liquidity sweep. So it's very simple, and I'm definitely gonna make more videos about how to take trades with liquidity sweep by using fair value gaps, order blocks. I'm gonna make a video, just follow me. And we also have a liquidity run. So what is liquidity run? All right, so let's say this candle is our liquidity, okay, and candle closed about this our liquidity. So what are we expecting? We are gonna expect to price come back to the liquidity area and go up, and that's called liquidity run. Very simple. And also we could get manipulated by the kill zones, and you see, oh, the price didn't retest, the price retest below the area of the liquidity. So am I going to short? No, you're just gonna wait, because you might be in kill zone and you don't want to get manipulated by the market, so you're just gonna wait. Let me show you an example about, so we can take this as our, no, can we? Yeah, we run liquidity, but it didn't give us a proper entry since it didn't retest at the structure. But I am looking, yeah, I see one. I have a light, I see one. So what are we gonna do? So this is our highest area in this trend, right? Yes. So what happened here? Wait, I'm gonna like remove this. Okay, now it's more clear. So this is our liquidity. We didn't swept our liquidity, we made a liquidity run. So what have done this in this market, in this chart? We didn't swept our liquidity, we retest this area so much with a lot of rejections, and then what happens? At the same area, at the same structure area, we went up with the great retest and great momentum. And what do we see? Another liquidity run, and we still go up. So this is the perfect entry model. And in my next video, I'm gonna talk about the fair value gaps, then might be an order block. After that, I will start to take videos about the live trading, and how to trade with liquidity sweeps, how to trade with liquidity runs, how to trade with order blocks, fair value gaps. So I just started, so it's gonna take a time. I'm not a professional. I'm not a professional in the day trading or making videos, but I will be better. So thank you guys for watching me.